Okay, my name is Forrest Gump. I'm doing a video on my hair journey, uh, what I've discovered in growing hair. Now, I know a lot of people a lot of women, some guys, a lot of women, uh, don't know how to grow hair or about growing hair. So today's video is going to be my personal journey on growing my hair. And I started at age 48. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of walk you through what I did to grow my hair as long as I got it, starting at age 48. Obviously, the younger you are, the better your body works. So growing your hair is a little bit easier. Now, this particular video will not tell you uh, about the specific minerals, but what I will share with you is the products I use to grow my hair. Now, most people don't know to grow your hair, external application does not grow your hair. I don't care what nobody tell you. I don't care what they sell you. I don't care what you buy. Hair does not start from growth from the outside of the head. Any external applications, I don't care what you put on your head, it doesn't start from the outside. It only starts from the inside. So at 48, here's what I look like. Don't laugh at a brother and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because, I look good, you know what I'm saying? I look good. So at 48, I was bald as a skunk, okay? And at the very top of my head, my my hair was thinning. So after the first 48, as a kid, as a child, when I was much younger, my hair was really thin, and I thought something was wrong with my hair. So I was kind of insecure about that. At 48, I decided I wanted a different look. So I started taking MSM sulfur, and I started taking hair, skin, and nail. Now, these two particular formulas are what I use to grow my hair. Okay, so let me see. Hair, skin, and nail. All right, there's MSM. Come on here, skin and nail. Okay, let me get rid of this crazy picture right here. Right here. So you can see the hair, skin, and nail. Okay, so now, these are the two formulas that I use to start growing my hair at age 48. Now, you saw what I looked like. I was flat, strapped, straight, bald headed, and very insecure, but I wanted to look different. Now, the average bald headed guy hair starts receding. Fortunately for me, I got them good genes, you know what I'm saying? Them genes off the chain, okay? So even though my head had been shaved for more than 20 years, I didn't know how to grow my hair like I do now. So at 48, I started taking MSM sulfur and hair, skin, and nail. I think for the first 4 years, the BB shot started growing. It started growing, and here's what it looked like after about the first 4 years. Now, this just taking nothing but MSM sulfur and hair skin nail. Now, my diet did change. I'm not gonna lie, my diet changed. So you can see my hair is almost to my shoulders. That took about 4 to 5 years of taking MSM sulfur and hair skin and nail. What I learned from that was the hair follicles were being fed internally. I didn't put anything on my head externally. This was all internal application. You know, herbs, nutrients, and what you take matters. So after about 5 years now, I've been growing my hair for between 6 and 7 years now. This is what my hair looks like now. Let's see if you can see that. So I started at 48. I'm 55 now. My hair is still growing. And I don't take the herbs like I used to, but my body accepted the nutrients that I gave it. And every now and then I'll take MSM sulfur, you know, but after about 5 years, I stopped taking hair, skin, and nail. My hair is still growing. No matter what age you are, no matter how bald you are, if you don't feed the follicles My personal journey was feeding the follicles, feeding the hair follicles. The hair grows internally first, and then it grows out of the head. It doesn't do that in the reverse. It doesn't grow from the outside out. It grows from the inside out. So when you take the appropriate nutrients, you know, I took MSM store for hair, skin, and nail. Now, your body needs, for your hair to grow, it needs iron, copper, vitamin E, vitamin A, zinc. All these feed your follicles, your hair follicles, because your skin and your hair fall under the same minerals, keratin, fall up under the same title. Um, if you're not giving your body that, then you can't expect your hair to grow like this. But if you just give your body what it needs, your hair will begin to grow, ladies. I'm telling you. I'm a dude. You know, it just goes to show you that if you are alive, you can grow your hair. You know, and I'm not knocking people who glue stuff on their hair and you know buy hair because that's your money. You can buy what you want to buy. You know what I'm saying? I ain't. That's that's on you. I'm not. This ain't sold in. This is not stitched in. This is 100% mine, all mine. And people always ask me, is it real? Is it real? Is it real? Yeah, it's real. That's 100% real hair. You can do the same if you're willing to take what's necessary to make your hair grow. You got to feed the hair from the inside out, not the outside in. Now, you could wear all that fake stuff while you're feeding your hair. The glue, I don't recommend that because I've seen some serious damage that women go through for long hair. You can grow your hair. I think you should start with feeding the follicles, giving your body the minerals and nutrients it needs. Now, on a new video me and my partner are going to do, you know, you're going to see the difference of one person taking the minerals and one person not. And we're going to explain all the minerals in detail and how they work. So this was just my personal journey on how you can honestly grow your hair. It doesn't matter your age. As long as you're alive, you can grow your hair. So if you're interested in growing your hair, you know, MSM sulfur, I'll tell you to go there first. Then I would tell you to take some hair, skin, and nail and MSM sulfur, and you can grow your hair just like this. And that's real, 100% real. And we stand by it. Will it grow overnight? Everybody hair grows at a different pace, depending on how toxic you are, what kind of diet you are. When I started growing my hair, I was vegan, 100% vegan. So obviously, my organs was working better. That's not to say that your hair is not going to grow if you're eating bad. It's just to say that it grows faster if you're eating good. If your organs are working good, then the body's going to produce better. Obviously, if you're younger, it's going to produce better because you haven't destroyed the body as bad. Toxicity matters when growing your hair. Toxicity matters with any disease. So that same application applies across growing your hair. Okay, am I going to grow hair on my skin and all that good stuff? If your genes are designed that way, who am I to say it will or won't? All I'm focused on is the hair. Now, hair didn't grow all over me. As a matter of fact, if you look at my arms and my legs, you're not going to see any hair on my arms and my legs. So I can honestly say it depends on your genes. If you part monster, if you got a whole bunch of hairy body and stuff like that, if you got hair everywhere, there's a chance your hair gonna grow everywhere. I don't see it happening, but I don't know. That's just being honest. If you want long hair, you gotta do certain things to get it. So now, go get yourself some hair, skin, nail, and some sulfur, and don't think this gonna work overnight. Don't think it's gonna take overnight. Hair grows in time. Especially, you got to give the body what it needs for it to grow in time. So take the products. Keep taking it. Don't stop until you get what you want. That's what I did. Got what I want. Kept taking it. 7 years later, got what I want. You know. So go to this website. There's in the link down at the bottom of the link. You'll see a link. Click on that link. Get yourself some sulfur hair, skin, and nail, and grow your hair like me. You can do it. Guaranteed. On the next video, we'll explain how. Thanks for listening. Bye.